Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to send a clean, professional statement to your customers through QuickBooks Online, but weren't quite sure how to do it, then stick around. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to create and send customer statements step by step. By the end, you'll be able to manage your client billing like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, open your browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Click on Sign In, enter your email and password, and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, the control center for everything finance related. Now on the left-hand side of the screen, look for the Sales tab. Click on it, and from the drop-down, choose Customers. This is where you'll find a complete list of all your clients along with their transaction histories. Next, it's time to create the actual statement. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the customer you want. Once you've got the right one, click the Batch Actions drop-down menu and select Create Statements. Now you'll set the statement period. This defines which transactions will appear. Just click the calendar icons to select your start and end dates. For example, you might want to show all invoices and payments from the last month. After that, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will instantly generate a preview of your statement. Take a moment to review everything. Make sure the customer name, dates, and amounts are all correct. When everything looks good, hit send to deliver it straight to your customer's email. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've created and sent a professional statement right from QuickBooks Online. No manual work, no spreadsheets, just fast, accurate customer communication. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover another accounting feature next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.